What kinds of interesting things have you done with science?
Leo Fen.
In science class, I made a small volcano with a classmate. We used baking soda and vinegar, so it foamed up. I enjoyed it because I saw the reaction from our textbook happen.
Leo Dion Wu Fen.
In science class, my classmate and I built a small baking soda volcano. We poured in vinegar, and red foam quickly bubbled over the paper cup. It was exciting because I saw a textbook reaction come to life.
Chu Fen.
In a school science class, I built a baking soda and vinegar volcano with one of my classmates. When we poured the vinegar in, it foamed up immediately, which made the textbook reaction feel surprisingly real. I really enjoyed that experiment because it was simple, messy, and much more memorable than merely reading about it.
8.5分
The most memorable thing was building a baking soda and vinegar volcano with a classmate during a science lesson at school. When it suddenly foamed over the container, I was genuinely thrilled to see a reaction from our textbook unfold before my eyes. To be honest, it was a fairly simple experiment, but it made science feel tangible and sparked my curiosity about how everyday substances interact.
Practice every day. Keep speaking.